So Freestyle Nation, in this video coming up, I'm about to give you a tour of the Breathless Resort and Spa in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And guys, I promise you, after this tour, you're going to book a trip to Breathless Montego Bay. I mean, like, it's just a complete vibes, and the place is just nice, clean and fresh, very luxurious. So just stick and stay, guys, while I take it on the tour. All right. So guys, you enter the property, and right here is the lobby area. This is the lobby area, and over here is the front desk that you would do your check-in, either on the left side or on the right side. Then you go straight ahead. There are some seats if you want to sit and relax in the lobby. There's also a bar area. If you want to stop by to have a drinks at the bar, there's a bar right here. And further on down in this aisle here, there are some restaurants. I'm gonna give you a tour of the restaurant in a while, but then we steps outside. Right here, guys, is a notice board that show you what event is going to keep at what day, the time and everything. And as you step through the door, guys, you're greeted with a waterfall right here at the front. And I must tell you guys, at night, this scene is just simply amazing at night. Greeted with nice palm trees and coconut tree. As mentioned in my previous video, guys, when I see palm tree and coconut trees, I'm excited, because I mean, it just give you that nice island vibes, that nice island feelings. So right here is the stage area where most of the activities take place. Cool. I mean, we had a foam party here like a day ago, and the foam party was lit. I hope you guys go and check out that video. So right here is the DJ area and the pool. So as you walk the property, guys, there are some seats you can sit and relax, very luxurious. Palm trees around the property, and the building where the rooms at. And I must tell you guys, the rooms at Breathless is just a complete different vibe. Complete different vibes. So as mentioned, guys, nice luxurious seating at the poolside, nice gardens, nice green area. It's now early in the morning, so the pool is basically empty right now. Just a few people out and about in the water. And this is the DJ booth, as mentioned before. Breathless Montego Bay. And as we go over to this side, there is a swim-up bar right here. So you could in the pool and just go get your drink and just have a vibe at the same time. But as you can see for yourself, freestyle, the pool area is just nice and cool, nice and relaxing. And as mentioned before, at night this place is just extremely beautiful. Nice settings, nice ambience. Breathless Montego Bay, it's a vibe. So as you walk around the pool here, guys, there are cabanas that you could just relax in and just chill. We have the pool chairs with your umbrella. Relax and chill if the sun is too hot. Under the coconut trees, under the palm trees. And I must tell you guys, Breathless Montego Bay is just a vibes. As you know, guys, when it comes on to Breathless, it's all about the party, it's all about the vibes, it's all about the energy. So this is the place if you want to be on vacation and stay lit. all day, all night. As mentioned before, guys, I'm doing this video early in the morning. I was trying to do this video before they start to play the music, but as you can hear, some music is playing in the background. I hope it doesn't affect my monetization. So we're still recording regardless, but as you can see, guys, the property is just a vibe. Nice and beautiful. Breathless, Montego Bay. And over on the other side, guys, there's a restaurant area, also a bar area, and across from that is the ocean, but not for use. As for the beach, if you book into Breathless and you want to use the beach, you could always cross over and use the beach by the Secrets Resort. So as for Breathless, they share beach area with Secrets, because Secrets is just across the road from Breathless. And over here, guys, as you can see, nice cabanas, nice pool chairs, and the sun is hot. It's about 8 a.m. in the morning, guys. Everyone is still in their room after that epic pool party last night. Everyone is still trying to recover.
Tuesday, club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the cut, she Tuesday.
As you can see, everyone is basically still in their room. So these are the cabanas basically. Breathless, Montego Bay Resort and Spa. I mean, guys, like nothing to me like place with nice, clean, green area. And I mean, guys, Breathless is the place if you want that. I mean, the place is just green and lush, and nice and clean, nice and beautiful. So as mentioned before, guys, right here you have the cabanas. As a matter of fact, you have the cabanas all over the property, where if the sun is too hot, you just grab a cabanas and you could just chill. But as for Breathless, guys, it's all about luxury. I mean, like, it's the place you want to be if you want to be at a high-end resort, a 5-star resort. I mean, Breathless would be the place. And right here, guys, on the front right here, we have some swim-up pools where you can just step out of your room and you're in the swim-up pool. So you don't have to leave off your balcony if you don't want to. You could just step out of your room with your champagne, step out in the swim-up bar pool, and they just all a vibe. And right over here, guys, if you want to cross over with your towel, have a picnic in the grass, it's right here. And I mean, these plants just caught my eye so much. Nice and green, nice and beautiful. And right here, as you can see for yourself, freestyle, we have a boardwalk that takes you from the rooms, comes right down to the main area of the property, where the pool is at, where the DJ booth at, where the entertainment at. Over on this side also, freestyle, you have nice plants, and I must say they are so beautiful. Over here you have the green area where you could come with your towel, as mentioned before, and you spread your towel and have a picnic. They also have over on this side your swim-up pool. So you step out and your pool is just right there waiting for you. This place is just simply amazing, and we're talking about luxury. If you want luxury, if you want the comfort, make sure you book Breathless Montego Bay I mean, as mentioned before, guys, Breathless Montego Bay is the place for the parties when it comes down to a resort with vibes, entertainment, and the whole works. Breathless Montego Bay is the place for that. So freestyle, that was the tour for the Breathless, for the outside of the Breathless property. And as you can see, guys, the place is nice and beautiful and it's a vibe. So when you're booking a trip to Jamaica, guys, as mentioned before, if you want the best in entertainment, I mean the best in luxurious, I mean like it's just a vibe out here at Breathless Montego Bay. So make sure you book your ticket and you fly to Jamaica. Make sure you book into Breathless Resort and Spa Montego Bay. It's a vibe out here. So until next time, freestyle. Remember, guys, you just do the right thing. Like, share, and comment if you haven't hit subscribers yet. Hit the subscription button and join the movement. So freestyle, you know how the vibes go. We're out and we're just out here vibes. And guys, stay tuned for the night scenery of Breathless. This is where we have all the parties. So make sure you subscribe and run to the channel because I'll be posting them. There's a party every night and the party them lit. So stay tuned for that. What I'm doing right here now is just to show you what the outside look like in the daytime, but the parties at night, stay tuned for that. You're gonna be amazed by it. So until next time, freestyle, catch you in the next one, you know where the thing go.